Epson WF-2860 driver? What's it? How to download, install, and use it? An Epson WF-2860 driver is a software program that allows your computer or mobile device to communicate with your Epson WF-2860 printer. It also provides you with the options and settings to customize your print quality, paper size, layout, and other features. You need to install the correct driver for your operating system and device model to use your printer properly. You can download the Epson WF-2860 driver from the Epson website or use the Epson software updater to automatically update your driver to the latest version. You can also find the installation guides and manuals on the Epson website to help you set up your printer and driver.